नहीं, please no. Please tell me this is the end of it. We cannot be doing this. This does not work. This is not the truth. This is a very heavily edited video, guys. Please. Well, this is Minty Fresh in the worst way possible. इससे ना सोल सुन हो गई है मेरी. शैम्पू फेस पे क्यों लगा रहे हो?
I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are here to do something fun, different. Matlab, we are busting some myths. I'm going to give you my reactions on a lot of things that I see on Instagram, on YT Shorts. क्या crazy चीजें कर रहे हो अपने face पे? Let me just have a look and break it down for all of you. So let's begin. Wait, what? Are they... Is she actually applying toothpaste as a face mask? Well, this is Minty Fresh in the worst way possible. Guys, toothpaste contains fluoride, menthol, abrasives designed for the enamel of your teeth, not skin. On your face, it can cause dryness, chemical burns and even eczema flare-ups. I've seen patients walk into me जिन्होंने pimple के ऊपर toothpaste लगाई थी and landed up with chemical burns. Please do not try this hack. Well, you ask me a hack or a hazard? Most definitely a hazard. Well, mixing aloe vera with gold, applying a face mask on it. Well, aloe vera is soothing, but I think it's a little too messy to be done at home. And all of this, it can cause micro tears in your skin, making your skin more prone to pigmentation and irritation. And the so-called glow, it's actually damage under the microscope. So, ये सब अगर आप घर पे करने वाले हो, तो I don't know what you're trying to achieve, because technically this should be performed in a clinic if at all. So please spare yourself the horror and do not attempt this at home. So matlab aloe vera apply kar lo, not a problem. If your skin is feeling irritated, the skin is feeling angry, laga lo, no problem. Sirf mask lagana hai, laga lo. But this unnecessary need for layering, I don't see no point in it. This is definitely not going to benefit us in any way of the game. So well, this I am on the fence with. I would say a yes and a no. थोड़ा सा abrasive है as a procedure. It can lead to micro tears in the skin, and in the long run, it can also lead to hyperpigmentation. So अगर हमारे पास option है and facial hair है, so I would always say opt in for a laser hair reduction. It is permanent and it is safe. But if you're in the hostel or कोई option नहीं है हमारे पास and the facial hair is really bothering you, as a temporary fix, okay. Not my favorite, but alright, I can live with it.
You ever thought about combining eggs with Vaseline? I'm sure you haven't. But this is an ancient tip used by many Asians for generations. Stick with me until the end of this video to learn the step-by-step process and uncover the secret behind this surprising technique. To begin, we'll need 2 small jars. Yes, 2 jars, and you'll understand why as we go along. First, take 1 jar and crack an egg into it. Egg them now. To enhance the mixture, take a lime and cut it in half. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice to the jar. Be careful not to add more than that, as the balance is crucial for this recipe. Now, mix everything thoroughly. Asians have used it as a face mask and for hydrating the skin on hands, feet, and other areas. Give this tip a rating from 0 to 10. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Here's how to use it. Apply the mixture to the area where you want to see results, whether it's your face, hands, or feet. Massage it gently into the skin, ensuring it's evenly distributed. To maximize its effect, cover the area with plastic wrap and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes.
Stop. What? You did not just do that. करना क्या चाहते हो? एग वाइट मास्क क्या करेगा? हमें एक टेम्पररी टाइटनिंग देगा, बट इमेजिन द रिस्क ऑफ साल्मोनेला। जब ये सब एक क्रीम फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है, हम क्या अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं ये करके? दिस इज बेटर टू ईट द प्रोटीन दैन टू वेयर इट। इन सबको लगा के आप अपने स्किन को ऑक्लूड करो। डू यू रियली वांट टू प्लास्टिक रैप योर फेस? Omelette on the plate, not on the face. No ways. Absolute no. अच्छे से क्लेंजर से डबल क्लेंजिंग भी कर लोगे तो यही इफेक्ट आएगा. Most definitely not. ये वीडियो देख के ना डेजा वू हो रहा है. We've all tried this at some point in time and now we know better. कॉफ़ी के ग्रैन्यूल्स क्या करते हैं? हमारे स्किन के टेक्सचर को, हमारे सरफेस को एब्रेड कर देते हैं, हमारी स्किन में माइक्रो टेयर्स ले आते हैं. टेम्परली, ट्रांजिएंटली हमें लगता है कि स्किन क्लीन हो गई, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन ये हमारी स्किन को ज़्यादा सेंसिटाइज कर देते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू ऐड egg on top of that and with a little bit of honey, it's a recipe for disaster because the honey is going to make you more acne prone and the pore size will temporarily shrink because जो आप egg white उसमें डाल रहे हो skin tight तो feel करेगी, but 2 washes and you're going to be back to normal. Worth it है? Absolutely नहीं यार. क्या करना है? खा लो. Protein is better ingested than applied on your skin. It's not really going to do us any wonder if you're applying this lip on your face. I mean, skip it guys, please. इससे ना सोल सुन हो गई है मेरी. शैम्पू फेस पे क्यों लगा रहे हो? शैम्पू से बाल धोते हैं, फेस वॉश से चेहरा धोते हैं. हल्दी लगाना चाहते हो लगा लो. नॉट माई फेवरेट इंग्रेडिएंट बट ठीक है. हल्दी में थोड़ा सा मिल्क यूज कर लो. लैक्टिक एसिड विल हेल्प यू. हल्दी एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी है. थोड़ा सा येलो स्टेनिंग होगी स्किन की. इट्स नॉट गोना डैमेज यू. बट हल्दी में क्लिनिक प्लस, इतने सारे जहान भर के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं अवेलेबल आज की डेट में. जहाँ पे आपको ये शैम्पू मिलेगा वहाँ पे आपको बेसन भी मिल जाएगा. बेसन लगा लो यार. बेसन में थोड़ी सी दही डाल दो, केसर डाल दो, उसको चेहरे पे लगा लो. यूज दैट एज अ फेस मास्क. आई एम नॉट सेइंग गुड स्किन कैन नॉट बी मेड इन द किचन. पपाया खा रहे हो, उसकी पील अप्लाई कर लो फेस पे. बट ये क्या नॉनसेंस है? दिस इज व्हाट I get burns in my clinic for. गार्लिक रगड़ के चेहरे पे आ जाते हैं और उससे चेहरा बर्न हो जाता है. We have seen this and we see it in our practice. Please do not propagate it. और आप और मेरे जैसे लोग ही इन चीज़ों को देख के प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. This needs to stop. This is absolutely unforgivable. Please no. Please tell me she's going to eat it. Please नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसको कहीं मत लगा लेना. इस देश को डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत है भी या नहीं? I am really questioning myself right now. अगर हम ये भी नहीं बता पाए कि this is an edited video, रियल लाइफ में अगर ऐसा होता तो कोई काला तो छोड़ो, कोई सांवला भी नहीं होता हमारे देश में. Please for God's sake, stop believing this nonsense. Thank God, this one's a relief. I mean, I wouldn't say ये नहीं करो. This is hydrating your skin, this is exfoliating your skin, and this will definitely make you feel cleaner. If at all you suffer from a little bit of strawberry skin, आपको ऐसे लगता है कि ingrowths का problem है, something like this can actually help you, but you need to use it as often as once in a week. हफ्ते में एक ही बार use करना है, ठंडे पानी से इसको wash out करना है, and then you have to make sure that you moisturize your skin immediately after. Even if you use a normal cold pressed virgin coconut oil या फिर सादा कोकोनट ऑयल, दैट्स ऑल्सो इनफ, बट दिस इज अ गुड वन. थैंक गॉड कुछ सेम चीजें भी हो रही हैं यहाँ पे. So this is a yes and a no. I mean, this is more like a rice water toner. Can use it, but I would say अगर यही same product आपको 100-200 रुपए में bottle में packed मिल रहा है, made under safer conditions and something that's going to last you longer, not get contaminated on an everyday basis, so isn't that safe? कर सकते हो, पर क्यों करना है? बहुत मेहनत है यार. एक बॉटल खरीद लो और वो लगा लो. नहीं, please no. Please tell me this is the end of it. I think this video needs to end. We cannot be doing this. This does not work. This is not the truth. This is a very, very heavily edited video, guys. Please, बेवकूफ मत बनो. If this works, we should just wrap up our work. We are not required. The society does not need us. I hope there is some sense left in us and we do not do all of this nonsense. We know better. Ask questions, drop them in the comment below. I will answer them personally, but this is criminal. You cannot be messing with your skin. Your skin is the first interface. हम कभी भी किसी को मिलते हैं. One thing that introduces us before we do, it's our physical appearance. You cannot take it so lightly. I'm not saying कोई 20 step skincare routine करो, but ये सब भी तो मत करो. वो 20 step का routine नहीं कर सकते हो, पर 20 चीजें लगा के रगड़ सकते हो, and then you land up with the doctor with a rash. I mean, come on. लिप फिलर के नाम पे हम एक नीडल से डर जाते हैं. आर यू ट्राइंग टू टेल मी यू कैन यूज अ रेजर ऑन योर लिप्स एंड बी ओके विद दैट? प्लीज फॉर गॉड सेक, ये ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू. यू कैन लीड टू कट्स एंड दिस कैन लीड टू परमानेंट स्कार्स. Scrubbing your lips is okay. Just taking a little bit of sugar, putting it on a toothpaste and rubbing it on your lips to take the dead skin off, absolutely okay. Applying desi ghee on your lips, absolutely okay. Even Vaseline for that matter is okay. But using a razor to scrape your lips, no, not okay. Not okay. No, not okay. Okay, if I can tell you the truth, I am traumatized. Guys, hacks are fun to watch, but not fun to recover from, yaar. Skincare isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistency, science, and safety. Your skin deserves love, not these DIY experiments. Protect करो, respect करो. I promise you will grow back at you. और अगर नहीं जाना है डॉक्टर के पास तो comment section में लिख दो यार. I'll tell you. If not me, somebody like me will tell you. We are here to help you. We want to help you. But please do not make your face a science lab. Please no. And I will see you in the next one.